Welcome to this short yet powerful guided meditation to help you meet your spirit animal. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any tension. With each breath, feel yourself relaxing deeper and deeper, opening your heart and mind to the wisdom of your spirit animal. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful ancient forest. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. A narrow path stretches before you, inviting you to step forward. As you walk, you hear the sounds of nature, birds singing, leaves rustling in the wind. You feel completely at peace, knowing that you are being guided toward your spirit animal. Up ahead, you notice a clearing bathed in golden light. In the center, there is a calm, shimmering pool of water. As you step closer, you feel a presence nearby. Take some time and gently allow your spirit animal to make itself known to you. Take a deep breath and slowly lift your gaze. Standing before you is your spirit animal. Observe its shape, size, colors, and the energy it carries. Is it strong and powerful, gentle and wise, playful or mysterious? Take a moment to feel its presence. Your spirit animal has a message for you. It may come as words, images, or just a feeling deep within. Listen closely. What wisdom does it have for you today? Feel the connection growing stronger between you and your spirit animal. Know that this guide is always with you, offering protection, insight, and support on your journey. If you have a question, ask it now, and trust the answer will come in its own way and time. When you are ready, thank your spirit animal for its presence. You may choose to touch it, bow in gratitude, or simply send love from your heart. The connection is now formed, and you can return to this place whenever you need guidance. Slowly, the golden light around you begins to fade, and you find yourself back in the present moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the earth beneath you. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the wisdom of your spirit animal with you. Thank you for joining this journey. Your spirit animal is always with you. Trust in its guidance and the path ahead.